Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate Windows Excel of your PC. So nowadays when you are not when your Excel is not activated, what happens is that you won't be able to edit any Excel files on your PC. So for that you need to buy either Office 365. You should have a like subscription, or you should have a premium membership. You have to pay money to activate it, but there is a workaround that you have to do without installing any applications. Okay, there is softwares like AMS and all, but software, the security, like Norton security or Avast or Windows security won't allow to install it. And KMS is also not very safe, even though a lot of people are using it. KMS is all not very safe, so there is actually a workaround for that. So I will be leaving a link for a code. You can download it from there. What you want to do is that you have to actually copy that code. Okay, so I will show you what is that. So when you open that code which I have given below, it will be like this. It's gone. Wait a second. So again, I will give the link in the description. So there will be something, like a code over here. What you have to do, you have to copy paste it, and you have to rename it to Office 2016. Like I will show you. You have to click there. First of all, you have to copy paste the code inside it. Now I have cut and pasted, that's why the code is not inside there. So what you have to do, you have to rename it and type in actually you have to copy paste here. Then you can have to click on file, then save as. Then here you have to change text documents to all files, then change it to Office 2016. .cmd. Okay, after saving that, you will be having a file like this second one over here. So what you want to do, you have to double tap it, and you have to right click it and run as administrator and click yes, and that's it guys. After a few seconds you have to wait. A CMD window, for example, I'll show you. A CMD window will be opened like this, and wait for a second, don't do anything, wait for a second, and it will show that as the installation was successful, and you will successfully unlock the Windows Excel 2016-19 or anything, because it will, or I think it will work for any Windows Excel version. Mine I think is 2019 version, but I think it will be working for every Windows PC. So yeah, that's how you can activate your Windows Excel without installing any application. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will get you guys in the next video.